Tired of projects feeling like a never-ending maze? Let's transform that chaos into clarity. Today, we're diving into how to use Trello for project management, turning it into your ultimate organization tool. First, let's create a board. Think of this as your project's central hub. Click the plus sign on your Trello homepage and select Create Board. Name it after your project, like website redesign or marketing campaign. Next, we'll add lists. These represent the different stages of your project. Common lists include to do, in progress, and done. Click Add a list and type in your desired list name, pressing enter to create it. Customize these to fit your workflow. Now, let's add tasks as cards. Click Add a card within a list and type the task. Open the card by clicking on it here. You can add a detailed description, set a due date to keep things on track, and apply labels to categorize tasks by priority or type. Collaboration is key. To assign a task, click Members and select the team member responsible. They'll receive a notification and stay in the loop. As progress happens, simply drag and drop the card to the appropriate list. This gives everyone a clear overview of the project's status at a glance. Trello also offers a calendar view to visualize deadlines. Click on Calendar from the board menu to see all your cards with due dates in a calendar format. And stay productive on the go with the Trello mobile app. It mirrors the desktop version, ensuring you're always connected. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can harness the power of Trello to manage any project effectively. Start streamlining your projects today. And don't forget to subscribe for more project management tips and tricks.